You know what? I should probably go to bed. I'm really tired. What the heck? What's going on over there? Hello? Anyone there? Huh, I could swear I got like a doorbell or something. Hello! Ah, ow! Oh, didn't mean to scare you like that. Ah, what the heck is your problem scaring me like that? Huh, that's a very nice looking costume. Clapping with a skeleton and a vampire? Huh, what a very interesting concept for a costume. No, it is not a costume. Don't you remember when we met? I'm sorry, I never met you one slight clue. When did we meet? Remember when a vampire turned you into a vampire, right? I do remember that. Wait, how'd you know that? Because I'm the vampire that turned you to a vampire. What the? You're alive, but dead? You may be probably wondering how I'm still alive. Well, I am still alive, but it is the longest. I'm still a vampire. I'm still alive. You see, I wanted to be out of my vampire for years until I died and be resurrected, becoming a normal human. I've been stuck here for nearly 500 years. What? Then you turned me into a vampire. How you're still alive? When you turned me into a vampire, you killed me. Basically, you were dead. I only did that so I could pass it on to someone else to become a vampire. And when I fell down into my death, a bit of a year later, I was so excited until I looked like this. I couldn't try it again, but now I really want to try it again because you're back to normal. That means I'm going to suck your blood so I can be human again. Oh my god, the vampire's back. I don't know what to do. I gotta hurry up before he comes to... Thank you. Now finally, I'll become a human again. Yes. Oh god. No. No, not again. No. No. Lightning, you okay? You're awake. God, what happened? I think you're like unconscious. I honestly don't know. We saw you sleeping. Okay. I forgot. I don't even remember what happened. Yeah, the door was wide open. We thought something broke in, but guess you were sleeping. You accidentally let the door open. I think I remember someone came in. I don't know what. And wait a minute. I think so. It was this guy wearing a vampire skeleton. I forgot who this guy was. Yeah. I don't know either. Then. Do I smell burning? Wait, I do smell burning. Wait, lightning, it's coming for you. What? It's coming from you. Lightning, what's going on? Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. What? Just turn off the lights. Okay. All right, we'll do it. Okay. All right, the lights are turned off. Are you happy? Yeah, perfectly fine. What the heck is going on? Why do you felt burned wherever the lights were on? Wait. You can't be saying. Wait, I think I understand what's going on. Really? You do? Yeah, you're a zombie! No. Okay, it was... What's going on? Okay, I wake up. Okay, so... Last night I remember there was a skeleton that dressed like as a vampire. Oh dear lord, I remember now. What? Remember that vampire that turned me into a vampire? Yeah, he's back. What? I thought he was dead! No. We thought he was dead, but apparently he was alive. He's not fully human yet. He just needs to get rid of the vampires. Now, I'm back to a vampire now. Great. Great! Now I'm turning the turn that I have this weird accident now. Great! Oh no, please don't eat me. I'm not gonna eat you. Really? What happened last time? It's not gonna happen again! Oh no. I don't know. You could be in Hotel Transylvania like Adam Sandler. Alright, we gotta figure out how to get him back as a vampire. I meant as a regular car. Hit him with cactuses? No, that's not gonna help. We gotta figure out something else. Alright, come on. Alright. Great! I'm sounding like the vampire and the witch and strange. We kinda we kinda act like the same things suddenly. It doesn't matter! Great! What do I need to do? What do I need to do? Kind of hungry. I kind of want... I want blood all of a sudden. Ugh! It's disgusting! Why would I want blood? Like, ugh! So disgusting! Ugh. But it's same time good. I don't know if I feel like I'm craving it. I'm craving blood. I must have blood. I must have blood. I need it. And I think I know the perfect one that'll give me joy and happiness. I need Whoa! Dang it, Lightning, you can't be sneaking up on me. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to! I'm so sorry! Ugh. What an idiot. Alright, we found the cure. Now we just need to find Lightning before that vampire virus spreads more. Alright. So, alright, Lightning. Get out back! It's not here or something. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, me too. Alright, guys. What the? I'm right here. Would you like to do something from me? Lightning, we found the cure. Now we can cure you and end this vampire situation. Oh, brilliant! What about you come a bit closer? Okay. Wait, Mater. Let's just think about it. Kind of a bit suspicious. I don't know what you're talking about. It looks fine to me. Oh, sorry. Wait, I'm not sorry. You should have been out of the way. Don't you mean you shouldn't be in the way? That's what I... What kind of a stupid accent is that? Are you trying to be a vampire? No, I am not the vampire. I am the vampire. and sorry spread. What? Come here, I want your blood! Ah! Come here! No, sorry, Lightning, you can't have blood. I want the blood! What's this hideous freak doing? Get the back here, chick. I would like some blood. He's been corrupted by the vampire. We gotta hurry up before everything turns dark. What happens to that? He'll be a permanent vampire. Just come here. I promise to take one of your blood. Sorry, Lightning, but I'm gonna have to feed you a steak. What? Ah! 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 Oh God! Ah! There you go. Ah! Ah! Turn on the lights. Ah! No! The sun! The sun! Ah! No! Lightning! Lightning? Are you okay? Lightning? Are you alright? What are you talking about? Haha, you're back to normal! About time! What are you guys talking about? I don't remember what are you talking about? Wait, you don't remember turning to a vampire? Wait, what? I turned back to a vampire again? When did that happen? Don't worry about it. We're gonna probably help you explain everything. Well, do! Like, I can't even remember one slight bit! Come on, Lightning. We got a lot of explaining to do, alright? And then I found the cure, and now you're no longer a vampire. Oh, so is there any side effects to that cure? None, but there's only one side effect. What is that? That side effect, as you are no longer going to be turned to a vampire, you will be immune to it. So any type of vampire will counter me. They'll just bite me and I won't be turned to a vampire? Nope. Haha! Finally! Aw, man! Why you're upset? You should be grateful that I did bite you. Well, if you would stay along as a vampire, I would have poisoned you with garlic. You know what else? I'm gonna poison you with garlic. Come here! No, not again! Ow, 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 not again! I'm sorry! Ow, ow, ow! He doesn't hurt. Ow, 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 ow!